Bonsuet hair extension have always been a favorite hairstyle for many customers in Nigeria with a variety of colors. However, do you know how to produce the best quality Bonsuet hair extension? I'm Justin, store manager of K Hair Factory, and in this video, I will show you how K Hair Factory produce Bonsuet hair extension, the most popular hairstyle and bestseller. Normally, Vietnamese hair extensions are usually natural straight hair. Therefore, to be able to produce Vietnamese Bonsuet hair extension, K Hair Factory must certainly produce many complicated and demanding stages. Be careful to avoid affecting the hair quality. Step 1. First of all, to be able to produce Bonsuet hair extension, K Hair Factory uses specialized and exclusive hair straightener. This hair straightener works to keep the hairstyle for a long time. Step 2. The workers after cleaning the hair will use a moderate amount of hair straightener on the hair extension. After applying the hair straightener carefully to the extension from the root to the tip, we will keep the straightener on the extension for about 20 to 40 seconds. This helps to ensure the straightener penetrates the hair just the right amount to maintain the style without damaging the hair extensions. Step 3. After checking that the hair extension is completely absorbed or not, the citizen will wash the hair extension with cool water to remove all the medicines from the hair. This step is not allowed to use hot water or water that is too cold, because using the wrong water temperatures can make the hair extension impossible to style. Use a towel to wipe and dry your hair extension before styling. Step 4. Use a professional straightener to straighten your hair. At this stage, the factory only needs to use a heat straightener and press it back and forth in the direction from the hairline to the tips, because the hair extension is already medicated. Such straightening will help the hair to keep that hairstyle for a long time. Step 5. After straightening, keep the hair extension at room temperature so that the hair extension is completely into the style before packing. Above are 5 steps that K Hair Factory produce Vietnamese Bonsuet hair extension with the best quality. Although the production of Bonsuet hair extension requires the use of chemical to style, the qualities of K Hair Factory's hairs is always perfect. This because K Hair Factory use 100% raw Vietnamese hair, so that you can completely trust and use K Hair Factory's hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Justin, and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.